Hey guys, to fix an Instagram DM ban, wait out the restriction period 1, 3, or 7 days, as it's a temporary measure for violating community guidelines or sending spam. If you can't send messages, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to a cellular data, right? Restart or update the Instagram app from your App Store or Google Play. And what you can also do, right? Click your profile icon at the bottom right. Click the three bars at the top right. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, and then what you're gonna do, log out, and then in. To potentially speed up the process, review your recent activity for policy violations and use the Instagram's report a problem feature, right? You could go ahead and report a problem, right? Go ahead to the help and then hit report a problem and continue without shaking the phone. Of course, include the screenshot or something like that to report a potential issue or appeal the ban. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.